Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best mini 3D printers. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is LH Stinger 3D Printer. Specifications: brand name, Physique. Slice thickness, 0.05 to 0.3 mm. Auto leveling, yes. Language, English. Maximum printing speed, 600 mm per second. Operating system, Windows 7, Mac OS, Linux. Diameter temp, 500 C. Bed temp, 100 C. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. Slice software, Cura Prusa Slicer Simplify 3D. File format, STL G-code AMFOBJ. Filament, PLA, PET, PLACF carbon fiber, wood, fluorescent consumables transpa. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Maximum print size, 200 by 200 by 200 mm. Molding technology, FDM. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. CE certification, yes. Number 4 on our list is Anycubic Kobra 3. Specifications: brand name, Anycubic. Printing speed, 300 mm per second. Auto leveling, yes. Maximum printing speed, 600 mm per second. Bed temp, 11 C. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. Filament, PLA, PET. PU. Maximum print size, 250 by 250 by 260 mm. Molding technology, FDM. Nozzle temperature, 300 C max. Screen, 4.3 inches. Power supply, 400 watts. Number 3 on our list is Anycubic Photon Mono M5s Pro. Specifications: brand name, Anycubic. Model, Photon Mono M5s Pro. Slice thickness, 0.01 to 0.15 mm. Printing speed, 105 mm per hour. Power supply, 110 watts rated power. Language, English. Maximum printing speed, 150 mm per hour. Operating system, Photon Mono M5s Pro. Maximum print size, 224 by 126 by 200 mm. Molding technology, LCD. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Interface type, USB. Number 2 on our list is Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo. Specifications: brand name, Anycubic. Printing speed, 150 mm per second. Auto leveling, yes. Maximum printing speed, 250 mm per second. Bed temp, 230 F, 110 degrees Celsius. Consumables diameter, 17.5 mm. Filament, PLA, ABS, PET, TPU. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Molding technology, FDM. Interface type, USB. Power supply, 400 watts safe power supply. Cooling fan, 7,000 revolutions per minute. Control panel, 2.4-inch LCD knob control. Motherboard, 32-bit silent motherboard. Certification, CE. Number 1 on our list is Anycubic Wash and Cure 3. Specifications: brand name, Anycubic. Model, Wash and Cure 3. Language, English. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Function, Wash and Cure 2-in-1. Control method, touch button and control knob. Cleaning mode, IPA soaking mode. Rated power, 36 watts. UV light, 10 pieces 405 nanometers plus gooseneck light. Time setting, 1 to 30 minutes. Certification, CE.